Imagine stepping into a car that feels like a private, first-class lounge on wheels. That's exactly what the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class delivers. From the moment you approach it, the presence of this luxury sedan commands attention. Sleek, flowing lines and signature grille aren't just about looks. They signal decades of engineering excellence and attention to detail. The exterior is a perfect blend of elegance and modern sophistication. LED headlights cut through the night with precision, while the sculpted body lines hint at power without being aggressive. Step closer, and the meticulously crafted alloy wheels and chrome accents highlight the premium craftsmanship Mercedes-Benz is known for. But it's not just about appearances. Every curve is designed to optimize aerodynamics and reduce wind noise, giving you that serene cabin experience. Open the door, and the S-Class truly shines. Inside, you're greeted by a cabin that combines cutting-edge technology with tactile luxury. Plush leather seats with optional massage and climate functions wrap you in comfort, while ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. The dashboard seamlessly integrates a massive OLED display, offering navigation, media, and car controls in a way that feels futuristic yet intuitive. Voice commands respond naturally, making it easy to stay connected while keeping your focus on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers multiple powertrain options, including a refined inline-six with mild hybrid technology and a more potent V8 that delivers effortless acceleration. Smooth, precise handling is aided by an advanced air suspension system that reads the road ahead, adjusting in real time to absorb bumps and maintain composure. Noise insulation is exceptional, ensuring that the roar of the engine or the hum of the road never intrudes on your driving sanctuary. Safety and driver assistance technology are taken to another level. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an advanced semi-autonomous driving mode, the S-Class isn't just about luxury, it's about peace of mind. Even small details like the intuitive heads-up display and 360-degree camera system make parking and city driving effortless. What truly sets the 2026 S-Class apart is the way it balances innovation with timeless luxury. From the meticulous stitching on the seats to the whispered quiet ride, it's a car that doesn't just transport you, it elevates the entire driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, every moment inside this sedan feels intentional and refined. So, if you've ever wondered what the pinnacle of automotive luxury feels like, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class gives you the answer. It's not just a car, it's a statement of engineering, comfort, and sophistication that few vehicles can match.